Here's my outline for my demonstrative speech. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a lemon pound cake. First thing you always do when working with food is to make sure you clean and sanitize your hands and workspace. After you do that, step 2 is to gather supplies. There's different types of cookware you need. Things you'll need to bake a cake are a mixing bowl, a mixer, a measuring cup, a cake pan, a regular bowl, and a spoon. The ingredients you'll need for the lemon pound cake are going to be lemon supreme cake mix from any grocery store, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of water, lemon juice, powdered sugar, and milk. Once you've gathered all your supplies, it's time to preheat the oven. For this particular recipe, you have to preheat it to 450 degrees. While you're waiting on your oven to preheat, it's time to mix your ingredients. You now take your mixing bowl and mix together your 3 eggs, your 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, your half a cup of water, and your cake batter. Once you have it properly blended, make sure you spray your cake pan with plenty of pan so that the cake doesn't stick once it's baked. Now that you have this all ready, put the cake in the oven. You're going to want to set a timer for 35 to 40 minutes. The times may vary between different ovens and how dark your pan is. While you're waiting for your cake to bake, you can go ahead and make your icing. There's no particular measurements for the icing. I usually put about 3/4 cup of powdered sugar in the bowl and just enough milk to make sure that your powdered sugar is going to be moist. Now you put in a few drops of lemon juice to make sure it has lemony flavor. And it may take a few times of adding the different ingredients until you make it just perfect for your preference. By the time you get this done, your cake should be baked. Now you must carefully take the cake out of the oven with your oven mitts and set it aside to cool for a little while. Because if you try to take the cake out of the pan right away, it's just going to fall apart. Once you let it cool for a little while, go ahead and put it on a plate and let it cool just a little bit longer so that your icing doesn't just melt off onto the plate. Once you think it's cool enough, it should be cool to the touch, go ahead and spread on your icing and make sure you get it all over the surface of the cake. You can put it however thick you want it or however thin you want it. After you get it iced, it's time to get your friends and family together and enjoy your creation. I hope this has given you enough information to bake a lemon cake.